This is day 7 of me clearing out my freezer to hopefully make space to make ice cream before the end of summer. Today I'm working with some beef that has definitely seen better days. I have some frostbitten chuck and an oxtail. So today I decided to try my hand at making beef rendang from scratch for the first time. If you've never had it before, beef rendang is an Indonesian curry, but it's a little drier than most curries. But just like other curries, this one requires a ton of aromatics and spices. I started out by making the curry paste, and I tried to do this in a mortar and pestle, but I quickly realized just how hard it was going to be, and I gave up and moved over to the food processor. Then I browned up the chuck and the oxtail before adding the curry paste in and frying that for a little while. I added even more aromatics and then some coconut milk and some shredded coconut. And this was my first time using actual tamarind from the pod and not from a pre-made paste. And I could not figure out how to remove the seeds, so I just left them in and we took them out as we were eating it, and that was actually okay. And then I reduced that down until the sauce turned nice and thick and magically became this dark, rich, beautiful color. And even though I wouldn't recommend cooking curry on the stove for 2 hours in the middle of summer, this was so worth it, especially served over coconut rice.